Hello guys. Hello guys. Edwin here. Today I'm going to be talking about Yupp. So Yupp is a consumer AI model discovery and evaluation platform that lets users explore and compare the latest AI models for free. So how much did Yupp raise? Yupp has raised a total of $33 million, and here are their lead investors: A160 Crypto, Coinbase Ventures, and I think these are angel investors right here. So they've raised $33 million, and they've currently launched their beta platform. This is their beta platform, and all you have to do is use the model just like you use ChatGPT, Gemini, all your AI models. Okay, just come here, you ask questions, you give feedback, and you earn credits. And the credits are going to be potential rewards. The credits used to be for cash. You could exchange your credits for cash some time ago, but the team disabled that because a lot of people were just withdrawing and all that. You get it, so they had to disable that feature. But you can still earn credits for potential rewards. Okay, so all you have to do is come to the website and sign up with your Google accounts. All you have to do is sign in with your Google account or sign up. Okay, so when you get here, you can simply click on any of these questions or you can ask your question. Okay, so let me say, what's crop? Who built it? And let's go ahead and ask this question and wait for response. Their platform is still under development. Okay, so sometimes you might not get the response um you wanted. Okay, but you have to wait for the prompts to go through and you get a response. Okay, so we got a response, and you can see we got a response from Llama 4 Maverick, and we got a response from Gemini 2.0 flashlights. Okay, so you can go ahead and choose whether you prefer this, okay, or this. You can see this is very detailed from Llama 4 Maverick, and this is not that detailed. So you go ahead and click on I prefer this right here. So you can see you prefer this. Why was Llama 4 Maverick better? It was accurate, informative, and on targets. I think it was fast too. And why was Gemini 2.0 flashlights not as good? Big. I think everything was short. And yeah, I think that's all. So write more to help AIs get better. I think here you give a feedback if you have any feedback to add. Okay, if you have any feedback. So let's go ahead and type O should um, and click on send feedback. So right after giving the feedback, you can go ahead and scratch this to see the number of credits. And you can see at end 243 Yupp credits. And these credits are going to be exchanged for future rewards. Okay, future rewards. And there are currently 24 currencies you can withdraw your credits in, but the team has disabled that because people were just withdrawing the money and misusing it. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Just go ahead and use it normally, like how you use all your large language models and small language models like your ChatGPT and the rest. Okay, so what you have to do next is navigate through the platform. You can go ahead and check your profile right here. This is my profile, and you can see a cash out button here, but it has been disabled right now. Okay, this has been disabled, and you could withdraw it for real money, real currency. Okay, and you need at least 6,000 credits. When you sign up, you instantly get 5,000 credits for free. Okay, when you sign up, you instantly get 5,000 credit for free. And there's no referral program here. The referral program also, you share your invite code with friends. They sign up, ask a question, and select the answer they like best. Rewards for everyone, 5,000 your credits for you, and 2,500 for them key. So you can see we need to raise some specific requirements before we get to unlock the referral link right here. So I think this is good, since the team is not all about referrals, for everybody to work hard for their own bag and help develop this platform. So this is it, and you can go ahead and join the Discord. That's a must. You have to do, no matter the project you are doing. Just make sure you join their Discord and follow them on Twitter. So you join their Discord. Rules will be going out very soon, so make sure you join their Discord and going for their Discord rules, because some of the Discord rules come in very handy when rewards are being shared. So that's it for now. Um, just visit it every day and use it regularly, like how you use your ChatGPT, your Grok. Okay, this is the profile right here. You can see the models I use right now, and here are my top models. And when you get to 6,000 credits, you can withdraw. But like I said, the team has disabled that, and so that's it. Just make sure you are using the models daily, and you get to choose. Let me show you. So when you get to the home page, you can also choose the kind of models you want to use right here. Let's wait for it to load. It's still in a beta stage. Okay, so you'll be getting the best response from these AI agents, or the fastest responsive sites. So these are the models. You can go ahead and choose whether DeepSeek and ChatGPT should compare to each other. Okay, so I can go ahead and choose between all these AI models, and also I can go ahead and upload images right here, and even files. You can also upload your documents and tell it to break it down, like university slides or anything else. You can just upload the documents right here, and you tell the model to break it down. And there are some questions here too. You can go ahead and click these questions that are popping up randomly and click on send. You wait for a response from the models, and you go ahead, send feedback, you earn your credits. So you keep on repeating it daily. Okay, this is just like using your AI models. Okay, but you are getting rewards in return. So guys, that's all for this video. This was a very quick one, and make sure you join our Telegram. Okay, make sure you join our Telegram. We always go for the detailed one. You have to read before. Okay, but I always prefer the detailed one. You go ahead and choose I prefer this. You answer the reason why you chose that, and you send a feedback, any feedback. Okay, so that's it for now. Make sure you join our Telegram channel, and please like and subscribe. Comment below if you don't understand anything or face issues while doing this. Remember, they raised 33 million, and that's very huge. They are backed by Coinbase, and that's very also good. And A16Z also. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Peace.